Um, Hi everyone. I have my own song now. This is my first song. I mean it's not my first song. It's my 10th song. So I decided to put here in YouTube, but the ninth song I didn't post it. So I decided to post this, and the title is Ella. Thank you. I know that you see me. And I know that you need me. So I know that you'll never leave me.